Guys, ang tao. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Clitor. Nakikita nyo, oh. Ayan.
Good parking.
Where? Ayan, kita nyo yan, oh. Ba't walang wala nakapark dito, ano? Saan tayo ngayon? Ayan, ang daming tao
I'll be
dito.
alright, because you've got a badge, Mum.
Ah, is it?
Park anywhere. Find one.
Ayan.
Parking disabled area.
Ayan, oh, ang daming tao. Ang dami. Oh, kita
Do you have to
nyo.
pay when it's like pay here like that now?
Yeah,
Even though disabled?
yeah.
Really? Ayan, oh, daming tao. Magkabila yan. Ayan, oh. Dami. Sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Dami talaga siyang tao.
See if I can park.
Ganda ng weather. Kanya lang. Buti nga hindi masyado mainit. Ayan, oh, guys, oh. Kita nyo dyan, oh. Ayan, oh.
Parking on grass.
Ayan, dito. Kaya gumagawa ako ng ano. Ayan, para meron tayong ano naman. May content tayo. Ayan ang mga tao. Naglabasan. Ayan, pagka maganda ang panahon. Ganyan, oh. Ayan, oh.
Mum will be happy, won't she?
Oh, I will use your scooter. Scooter is the best.
She'll use my scooter.
No, okay, we will buy another scooter for me, so I don't need to walk. There's another scooter, but you didn't get it for me. Ayan, no? Yeah, because I said you can't. Ayan, no? Ayan, guys. Cinema. Punta kami cinema muna. Ayan ang KFC, McDonald's.
Parking in somewhere.
You can't. Asa ng car ni ano? Oh, are you allowed to park over there?
You won't get in it, solid.
Is it?
Car park
No?
attendant there.
Oh, ayan, no?
Don't worry about that.
Lahat ng tao nag-ano. Ayan sila, mga taong ayan, oh, busy talaga, oh. Busy ang Clitorps. So busy, bigla nang alis namin kasi anak ko nagyaya. Kasi hindi ito magda-drive. Ayaw niya mag-drive. Sabi ko, kala ko nakalimutan niya ang Veterans Army. Hindi naman pala. Kanya, ayaw niya lang mag-drive kasi busy. Ngayon, anak ko yung nag-offer. Siya ang magda-drive. Kaya, ayun. Nandito kami. Sige, bayaran mo yung 5. Meron ako rito 5.
They use it as a car park, isn't it? Better though, isn't it? Better than
Yeah. Meron akong ano rito. 5 pound. Why not? 5 pound is okay.
I'm gonna ask him.
I got 5 pound here.
Right, disabled, mate.
If you're off to the cinema, you just park it.
Just gonna go pick daughter up. Case Nada.
Okay, sure, yeah. Just picking her up, yeah?
Yeah. About the park here for a few hours. Do I have to pay?
You do,
Yeah.
yeah.
What
What about disabled pudge? Doesn't matter. All right, mate. I'll pay for that.
£5 then, please, mate.
1 minute.
5 pound? I have 5 pound here, boy.
Have you? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, naiwan ko yata yung aking wallet.
Hang on. It's all right.
Yeah, hindi ko nadala yung wallet ko, boy. Naiwan pala.
Thank you very
All
much.
right,
Just
no
get you a
problem.
token, mate.
Yan, isang bag pala nadala ko, boy. Ano pa yan? Sa dami ng bag, isa nadala yung wallet na.
You need that to get out, and I'll
Alright.
just move that code.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan, thank you.
Yeah, you said you're
Ayan,
going
dito
to
kami.
cinema. You need a ticket. Get out. £5 not bad. Some of them they pay. They ask for more.
Ayan, dito kami sa car park. 5 pound ang
I'm
bayad.
parking on the front.
Ayan, dito kami. Oh, kala
It
mo
will be.
Kala mo ba marami kami? Ang daming car park. May car park pa. Sa ano ba? Sa harap meron?
Because everybody's got the same area.
Look, disabled badge.
Oh,
Where?
Ayan.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Right on the front, look.
Right in the front.
There we
Ayan.
go.
Galing. Ayan, galing namin.
How's
Ah.
that?
Okay.
Huh? Of course it is.
Ayan, goody,
Mom, keep
goody.
that.
Where is the
Put it
ticket?
back on my phone. Here. No, put it back on my phone.
Ito, dito ko lalagay. Baka malaglag sa po.
just leave it
Mamaya.
here.
Yeah, okay.
Won't get lost then.
Yeah. Kasi pag nawala yan, hindi tayo makalabas. Ayan, teka. Daling ko lang itong aking. Sandali, uy. Sandali. Dadala ako ng ano. Sandali lang. Sandali.
Oh,
Ayan.
look, here.
What?
Use this, Mum. They're nice.
Ah. Ayun pala eh.
Ouch.
Teka lang.
That back.
Okay.
I want that back to be fair.
Ayan. Iwan ko lang muna yan.
Right, these need to come out, yeah?
Sandali, sandali. Ayan, ako nandito kami. Pababa na kami.
Place, isn't it?
Kasi dadala
No, you
ako
should have
ng
done the other
jacket.
side.
Ayan.
Then
Dadala
the
ako
other
ng
side, you're the one
jacket.
sit
eh.
here.
No, because
Ayan.
that's a double-seater.
The two
Ayan.
seats.
Binababa niya yung scooter.
What?
Scooter.
Comes out that way.
Ayan.
Like, if your mum gets out, put
Ay,
the seat down,
okay.
get it
I'm
out.
going. I'm getting out.
Get out.
Yes.
Pull the seat down, boy.
Yes.
I
am.
Mind.
Tingnan mo. What is in there? First, bread?
Then,
Okay.